What if sabihin ko sa'yo na may ready for occupancy single attached house ngayon na ang net spot down payment is less than 80,000 pesos only and complete turnover pa. Hi everyone, I'm Maris Arevalo. We're here at Las Brisas at Tierra del Sol in Tansa, Cavite. Today, I'll walk you through a property that combines complete turnover, strategic location, and long-term value. This is the Zelia model with lot area of 72 square meter and floor area of 112.5 square meter. This unit comes complete turnover. And let's step inside to see how practical and spacious it really is. As you enter, you're welcomed by a tiled flooring and painted walls. You can notice the natural lighting, very inviting, and perfect for family gatherings. Now, let's move forward and see what makes this home even more impressive. This open layout connects your living and dining area, ideal for family bonding or entertaining guests. And speaking of family, let me show you the bedrooms. This house features 3 bedrooms. The master's bedroom offers privacy and comfort, and 2 additional bedrooms perfect for kids, guests, or even a home office. Now, let's look at another important part of the house. We have 2 toilet and bath areas, ideal for growing families. Convenience built into your everyday living. Now, let me show you how beautiful this same space can look when styled. Same structure, same layout. This is how your complete turnover house can transform into a dream home. Imagine waking up here, morning light, quiet surroundings, your own peaceful space. And what makes this even better is the community outside your door. At Las Brisas at Tierra del Sol, you're not just buying a house. You're becoming part of a secured and gated community. Swimming pool area, full-size basketball court, elegant clubhouse, 24-hour security. But the value doesn't stop inside the community. Las Brisas is strategically located along Governor's Drive in Barangay Tanawan, Tanza, Cavite. Only 4.3 kilometers from SM City 13, 13 Martires Public Market, and 13 Martires City proper. Accessible via Manila-Cavite Expressway and the upcoming Cavite-Laguna Expressway. And if you love cool weather, Tagaytay is only 28.9 kilometers away. Now that you've seen the location, accessibility, and everything that this community offers, Las Brisas at Tierra del Sol is more than just walls and rooms. It's security for your family. It's convenience for your everyday life. This is the Zelia model, and this could be your next chapter. So, if this looks like the kind of home your family can grow into, don't wait! Comment Zelia below or send me a message and I'll help you with personalized computation and site viewing schedule. I'm Maris Arevalo and I'd love to help you make that chapter a reality.